In primetime news this evening, food prices rising, but the BOJ governor says it will have no impact on its inflation target. No choice. Pig farmers say rising production costs forcing them to pass increases on to consumers. And landowners in Clarendon stuck with land they cannot use.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what plans have you made for Labor Day? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.